So Seedance 2.0 4K is now out and the quality is absolutely crazy. I mean, just take a look at some of these videos right here. These look like videos that could be from a movie, but how is this going to actually benefit faceless YouTubers like you and me, or even any kind of YouTuber? Especially given the fact that you might be saying, Matt, isn't this new model just going to be absurdly expensive? And is it even really worth using for faceless YouTube channels? And in my opinion, the answer is yes, but really only if you use it in a certain way. So say we were running a faceless YouTube channel like this that just goes over different videos about how to raise a dog, and let's say we're making a video about 5 things you must never do to your German Shepherd. It got 1.2 million views, and if we go ahead, generate up a script for this video using tubemagic.com, it's the best script writer, by the way. Then if we copy that script and then go into Claude or any AI of your choice, but Claude will be the best for this, and then paste in the script and say, this is my script for a YouTube video. I want a Seedance 2.0 4K prompt, please, for this intro of this video that will hook anybody and make them watch the first 15 seconds no matter what. Give me some different hook ideas as well that could also work better. And then we go ahead and click enter. And then we've got some great prompts right here. Let's go ahead and use this one. And ideally with these prompts, you're going to want to use one that can't just be found from a stock footage database. So feel free to add that to the prompt as well. And then we'll head on over to Higgsfield, which is actually the sponsor of this video. I'd like to thank them for that. Of course, you can use any platform that you want for this, but Higgsfield is the cheapest for Seedance 2.0 that I've seen so far. And we're going to want to go to video and then Seedance 2.0 4K. We'll then paste in the prompt, make sure 4K is selected, and click generate. And now while that's generating, the reason that we're generating an intro for the video is because the intro is the most important part of any video on YouTube. If you can get people to watch the first 15 to 30 seconds of your video, which is just 1 or 2 Seedance 2.0 4K clips, you're gonna have a much better chance at keeping those people retained for the remainder of the video, therefore getting you more watch time, more views, and making more money. Now, of course, if you are running a cinematic type of YouTube channel, like something similar to this YouTube channel called Fern, which gets 17 million views per month, and they do these documentary style videos. These are incredibly high quality videos where you may want to use a really good model like Seedance 2.0 for the entire video, but that would make it significantly more expensive. All right, so the German Shepherd videos are still loading right here. However, I made this video based off of this video of 5 things you must never do to your Shih Tzu dog. It got almost 1 million views, and let's take a look at the intro of this video right here. As you can see, it's literally just a logo popping up, and this is going to cause so many people to click off of this video and for them not to get as high of audience retention. But let's take a look at this video that I just generated.
Hey, stop!
How much better of an intro is this, and how much longer are people going to watch the rest of this video because you've hooked them in the first few seconds, even if the rest of the video is the exact same as this video right here, where it's simply just stock footage. And you could generate a video exactly like this, by the way, using my software vid.ai. It'll generate full, complete 20-minute videos using purely stock footage. But the problem with vid.ai, it is purely just stock footage and some AI generated visuals, but it's not going to be the quality of Seedance 2.0 4K like this, which is going to really keep people's attention. So in my opinion, a really good workflow would be to, number 1, generate the full complete video using a software like vid.ai, or using one of Higgsfield's cheaper models like the normal Seedance 2.0, or even cheaper ones like Kling 3.0, and then go ahead and start generating intros like these using the 4K Seedance, and that will greatly help you keep people's attention. So now we have some more videos loading right here. Here's the one for things to never do with your German Shepherd dog, and let's take a look at this here. I mean, this literally just looks like a real video. This is absolutely crazy. And you wouldn't be able to find stock footage of something this hyper specific. And the thing is, you can even make it a lot crazier than this. Like, take a look at this clip of an alligator versus a German Shepherd right here. You would never want to find a real clip like this. However, if you can generate it safely using an AI like Seedance, then you can keep people's attention amazingly. And here's another clip of a German Shepherd running around in a house. This literally just looks like a real video, which is absolutely crazy. And then let's say you're running a channel like this one, Cruise Like a Pro. So this channel right here just goes over different tips and tricks for going on cruises. They make videos like 17 dangerous cruise ship mistakes that you need to avoid at all costs. And again, the video is simply just stock footage, which you could generate with something like vid.ai. However, if we want to take that to the next level, how about we generate some crazy videos like this one right here of just crazy stuff happening on a cruise ship that we wouldn't be able to find real clips of. Or this guy about to go over the railing of a cruise ship, like we wouldn't be able to find real clips of that. Or check out this one. This one's absolutely insane. This literally looks like a clip from a movie or something, which in the past would have cost thousands of dollars of VFX to make something like this. And now you can do this in a few minutes. So Seedance 2.0 4K is by far, right now as I'm recording this today, the best AI video model on the entire planet. And what that means for us as faceless YouTubers is that we definitely always want to use the latest tools at our disposal, but we want to make sure that we're not spending too much money either, which brings me to the next part of this video, which is looking into how much this all costs. So right now with the Ultra plan that I'm on with Higgsfield, a 15-second Ultra 4K video will cost around $14, meaning a 5-second one will be around $4.73. Now the 4K model is discounted right now within Higgsfield, so if you did want to try this out and generate some clips, now is the time to do it. You can check out their link that they put together for you guys down below this video. Now the way that I'm personally using this within my own YouTube business right now is just for intros due to the fact that it is a more expensive model. I'm not using this for the entirety of my faceless YouTube videos yet, but in my opinion, a $5 investment for those first few crucial seconds of a YouTube video, which is going to make or break your entire video, is well worth it in my opinion, especially due to the fact that I'm investing so much more money in these videos. If I can just give that video the best chance for success I possibly can by having an epic intro, I'll do that any day. Now, another pro tip for saving credits and saving money for this is not to generate with the 4K model right away. It's a lot better idea before you go ahead and spend a few dollars on a clip. In my opinion, it's a much better idea to use the new Seedance 2.0 mini model that's also within Higgsfield. That's a lot cheaper. In fact, a 6-second video on here is literally just 20 cents. And if we try that same prompt of the cruise ship going over waves, this is what it gives us right here. And as you can tell, this is not nearly as good quality. We generated it at 480p, and this is using that worse model. Not nearly as good quality, but we can see overall the structure that it's giving it. And we can see if we like it or not, and we can iterate based on this. So let's say we spend $1 generating a bunch of different variations, trying to find an intro that will really catch people's attention. That literally looks like it's from a movie. Like, I'm honestly just blown away by this video right here. In my opinion, that makes a lot of sense. Now, the fact that you're watching this video means you like to be on the forefront of AI and everything, which is a really good idea. Honestly, I'm glad you're here watching this, because if you stay up to date with all the latest AI models and you implement all of the other tips and tricks that I share here on the channel for making sure that your videos give as much value as possible, then you're going to do really good on YouTube, and I'm really happy for you. And if you did want to make this into a real business, you certainly can. Myself and a bunch of my students, we literally run these types of channels as companies, whether they're personal faceless channels like the one you're watching right now, or completely faceless channels literally just using AI. You got to know how to use AI correctly so you don't just get your channel banned. I know a lot of people comment on videos like this, like YouTube doesn't allow videos like this. They certainly do, but only if your videos actually give value and they're structured in a certain way. I've done many videos here on the channel that talk about the wrong way of using AI that will get your channel banned, and the right way. And if you want to see the right way, I have a completely free full training that also goes over some 2026 updates for growing a business on YouTube the right way. You can check that out next to me here. If you don't watch this video, honestly, you're putting your channel at a massive risk, especially just watch the 2026 update of this video. That's within this video towards the end. You're going to get so much value from it. My name is Matt Parr, and I'll see you there.